Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Nur Cholish AN dari kelas 6A. Saya akan ulang kembali video tentang baking soda dalam mata kuliah interpreting. Baking soda is one that is used in making cakes, but there are other benefits of baking soda that is rarely known, namely to clean the room or certain object at home. These benefits make baking soda no less effective than cleaning products that are commonly used. Moreover, baking soda is safer to use compared to general cleaning products that contain harmful chemicals. Here are 7 benefits of baking soda. First, overcoming drainage water that is clogged dishwashing. How to pour hot water mixed with baking soda into the waterways besides launching doors on even water channel can disappear. The second, fat odor in a microwave oven can be easily removed baking soda. Try using baking soda when cleaning it. Third, baking soda can clean the kitchen furniture made from melamine and chopper. You do not need to be confused if there are stains burns your cooking parabota. Fourth, the unpleasant odor in the refrigerator can be eliminated by baking soda, which is placed into a container and then stored in the refrigerator. Baking soda will neutralize the odor. 5. The foul odor in the trash can be overcome by sprinkling baking soda. The smell will slowly begin to decrease. 6. You can get rid of the smell of cigarette smoke in the room by putting baking soda in an ashtray. 7. Smell in the lunchbox is usually difficult to remove, but try baking soda lunchbox with baking soda and warm water overnight and the smell will be disappears. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.